How y'all doing? Srttheo here. I'm gonna do a car review today of my car. Just picked it up about a week ago. It's Sublime Green 2015 Dodge Challenger Scatpack. There you go. 6.4. I just traded in my V6, by the way. I'm gonna give y'all a few specs and stuff about the car. This did not come with a Scatpack package with the stripe and all that. And the black fuel door. This is actually, I put this on there. I got it off eBay for like $100. And these are the stock wheels. Everything's pretty much still stock. Car came just like this. Wheel stock, Brembo brakes. So the Brembos, got the Brembos brake. It's dirty right now, so got the sunroof also. And I'm gonna take a look inside. It's kind of dirty right now, but it's 6-speed. Not the automatic. It's a real man's car, manual. There you go. We're gonna take it to the front of the car. I'll show y'all a little bit. This is a quick video, by the way, guys. There you go. It doesn't have the RT on the front. Like, whoever had it before me, I guess they took it off. They didn't really like it. And also, I'm the president of the Memphis Head Turners. Shout out to the Head Turners Car Club. Got the decal right there. If you're in Memphis, you'd like to join the Head Turners Car Club, hit us up, Memphis Head Turners on Instagram. And let's see, what else to tell them about. Also, back here we got on the wing, right there, we got the SRT, powered by SRT. Can't forget the we're gonna give y'all a little exhaust rev in a minute too. Also, in the meantime, I'll show y'all the engine. Give y'all a look at the heart of this bad boy. Yeah, powered by SRT. So right now it's still stock. I got a few plans for it. I'm gonna do a colder intake and also throttle body and oil catch can, all that good stuff. Right now the exhaust is still stock. Planning on doing a muffler delete like everybody else does on Instagram and YouTube and all that. So I'm gonna do a muffler delete first. If I don't like it, it's not loud enough for me, I'm gonna go do long tube headers. I might go Cooks, or JBA, not sure yet. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up for you guys so you can take a listen to the exhaust. Yeah, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, everything. Subscribe, like, comment, everything, all that. Yeah, that's Srttheo.